Kwa muchatauri kuti mastreets vana vasikumira Nyati family vari kuexpecta mwana wechitatu kurwara nekurutsa kwanga kuchita mai Nyati aiwa vakazara ukuwo Sirizani muchiri kumurememba here murume uya wekutsva makumbo achiburitsa vanhu mubhazi raipfuta muna 2021 aiwa sewiki vati dovuya utore rewadi yako mota pamusoro pe$50,000 US yekuti ungogonawo kuzviita. Take care of Naika. Welcome back to the channel. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. So nyaya ndiyo kwa Nyati vaburitsa statement vakati ivo bamnini vane 22 mudzimai wavo ari kutena 20 vane vana vairi asi vari kuexpecta umwe vari kuti first born yavo ine 2 years anotevera ane 4 months pavakazoenda amai kuchipatara vakazonowanikwawo kuti aiwa mune chimwe zvakare chiri kukava amai Nyati vatosadza danga sokutamba pavanosvika 30 ameno ikoko. So guys tiri kufara kuti aiwa muri kukura sekunge vanhu vomwe dzanyatsoti renere nenyaya dzemari idzi vanogona kuita take off their family. Tiripo kukriticize ka senyika aiwa kana munhu ane murume wake achigona kuzviitira zvelife yake ngatidzidzei kunyarara. Regai timanye kunyaya yasewiki newo vati Hello Friday. Today I woke up in a good mood and remembering a true hero who lives amongst us, a man whose courage and bravery showed the goodness of humanity. This man is none other than Sirizani Butau. In 2021, Sirizani fearlessly risked his own life to save others from a deadly inferno along the Harare-Mutare Highway following a tragic accident involving a fuel tanker carrying over 50,000 liters of petrol. The incident ignited massive flames and the real threat of an explosion. Sirizani did not run away like most of us would. Instead, he ran towards the fire and pulled out trapped passengers from the burning wreckage, risking his own life so that others could live. This man emerged with severe burns and permanent scars, but his heroism saved lives. We remain grateful to His Excellency the President, Dr. Idi Naamai, for giving special national recognition to this extraordinary man by awarding him the Gold Cross of Zimbabwe Award, honoring Sirizani's unmatched bravery. Surely, true heroes are not born in comfort, but they are forged in fire. As a small token of my appreciation for your unprecedented heroic sacrifice, and in addition to the highest honor bestowed upon you by His Excellency, I want to personally celebrate you in your lifetime. Please go and see Mazibaba Chipaga at Enterprise Car Sales on Monday and collect a brand spanking new Toyota Fortuner 2.4 D4D. In addition, you will receive 50,000 in cash to invest in any business of your choice. You may even consider starting your own trucking business, as you have indeed proven yourself to be a man of steel and courage. May God bless you abundantly for your sacrifice. Your scars are medals of honor, tattooed on your skin, and a permanent reminder that love still lives amongst us. Chidzidzo kwatiri tese, to love one another and to always act with compassion, as we are all children of God. True hero Sirizani Butau. I ndo mashoko ari kubva kuna sewiki newo. Izvi zvinodadisa guys, and it's been long overdue. Kubva 2021 akapiwa Yes Award na His Excellency, but apa paitwa zvakanaka. Sirizani unotoziva kuti vanhu vakadai kana vachinge vapuwa mari vanogona kuishandisa nenzira yakanaka. You can see the way he was so selfless kudzokera kumoto unobvira achindoburitsa vanhu one by one guys. Aiwa well deserved. Apana chatinotaura panyaya iyi, hatisi kumbopopota kuti dema daine mari aiwa bodo. Apa mapa munhu anga ine need chaye uyu pa list yese vanhu vakambopuwa mota. He's the most deserving one. Thank you Sewiki Neo for remembering the selfless act of bravery by Sirizani akaburitsa vamwe mu burning wreckage. So much appreciated mukuru wangu. This one surpassed mamwe awesome recognitions. He truly deserved it all. A very selfless man. Izvi zvabva zvangotifungidza nyaya yemubhaibheri yana Modhekai. Aiwa hatingarambi tongotaura kanyaya tisingaverengi bhaibheri. Imika Esther 6 verse 1 to 13. That night the king could not sleep. He asked the servant to bring the kingdom's history book. He asked the servant to read the book to him. The history book included a report of how two of the king's eunuchs wanted Kuraya King Xerxes. Their names were Bigtana and Teresh. The report said that Mordecai had told the king about this. When the king heard this, he asked the servants, "When Mordecai saved my life, what great honor did we give him?" The king's servants replied, "We did not do anything." Kukai bodo, torai murume uyu mumupfekedze royal cloak akwire pamusoro pebhiza mufambe muchishedzera kuti oh hey Mordecai uyu anodiwa namambo. Aiwa ndozvaitika pana Sirizani ndokuvadzai namavhesi. The book of remembrance has been opened for the hero Sirizani Butau. Congratulations and well deserved. Thank you, Sewikinel. Madzibabaka. My wish is for you to help Butau's friends and family, the Zambezi family. The driver of the fuel tanker that exploded and caused the fire. A car traveled way beyond recognition. When Mr. Butau was trying to save him, then he shifted to save people from the bus because the fire had covered the whole truck. Knowing you, Mazbaba, I know you will think about it. A massive thank you, Sewikinel Chibayo. Not only did you recognize the true hero, but your gift of the fortune and the cash will be life-changing for him and his family. Tinotoziva kuti aiwa Sirizani uyu achato create employment for other people, acha share zvakare wealth yake nevamwe vanhu nekuti iye munhu ari selfless. Imikani aiwa tinotenda Madzibaba, for the first time in a very long time you did well.